Momshies! Welcome to the channel. And for today's vlog, very cheap way to make konting-konting kapital lang to make this humidifier scent. Safe itong humidifier scent na to use for at-home humidifiers. I'm gonna teach you how, and as well as this product will be available at my website if you want to buy a finished product. But today, let's focus on how to make it and how you can also make it for your own home-based business. Okay, let's start with our materials. Okay, so ang first material natin, of course, is water. I'm using distilled water. So, distilled talaga ang kailangan na water, hindi pwede yung tap water. And then, we're going to use, nawala na siya, PEG 40 ito. This is hydrogenated castor oil. Lalagay ko na lang sa text. Anong meaning yan? Ito yung maglulusaw ng ating oils, ng ating scented oils or essential oils para maging water siya. This is an emulsifier, stabilizer, and solubilizer. Ano ba yung pangalan? Basta, tinutunaw niya yung oil. Yun yung gamit niya, guys. And we will also need a weighing scale. This is a weighing scale I use for my candle making as well. And some scents. So, these are the scents we're gonna be using. Meron na akong mga lalagyan dito na ginagamit ko. We're gonna use this to mix. So, ito mga vacant na to na lalagyan. So, meron akong measure. So, ang formula niya, guys, is for 5% ng water. So, for example, I use 1 liter of water, which is, I already measured here, 1 liter of distilled water. I'm gonna need to use 5% of this and 5% ng ating scent. So, in this case, it's gonna be 50 ml ng scent. Nilagay ko siya dito. And 50 ml nitong PEG 40. So, all we have to do is just mix all of that. Tara, let's do it. So, this is my 1 liter of water. And this is 50 ml of scent na naka-measure na dito. 50 ml. So, ihahalo ko siya, guys. Kailangan nyo nang lalagyan. Yun yung problema ko talaga dito. Wala akong lalagyan na magkasya yung 1 liter. Oh my God, puno na. Puno na siya. And kailangan ko rin ihalo to. Siguro kailangan ko ng mas malaking lalagyan. Okay, so Momshies, I've decided oh my God, I've decided to use this kasi this is what I use for candle making. Pwede ko siyang lagyan ng scents and oil, and hindi namin na po ginagamit sa pagluluto. So, 2.8 ml to. So, pwede magkasya dito lahat ng kailangan i-mix. Kaya tara, i-mix natin siya. At tumatapon siya dito. Ayan. So, this is the water and the scent. And this is the PEG 40 na mineasure na natin. 50 ml. Ayan. Yan yung itsura niya, guys. Tignan nyo. Naghalo yung oil tsaka yung hydrogenated castor oil or PEG 40. Let's mix it together. Ayan. Magiging cloudy na siya sa paningin ko. So, this is how it look like, guys, when it's fully incorporated na. Sobrang na-mix na talaga yung oil and water and our emulsifier. So, medyo cloudy po siya. Now, what you can do is you can put a bit of food coloring. Food color po, yung ordinary food color, to make it into different colors. But since I'm using ganitong lalagyan to distribute it into 100 ml sizes na ganito, I'm not gonna use food coloring anymore. So, if you're using yung mga transparent na bottles, you could choose to make it more awesome or more attractive by using food coloring. So, on this example, hindi ko na siya gagawin. You just need a few drops until you get the desired color and food color you want. But for me, I'm just not gonna use one on this example. So, now that this is done, we are ready to pour it into our little container. Okay, so now we're ready to pour the finished product here on these bottles. Let's just pour it in one of these 100 ml bottles, or depende kung ilang ml bottles ang gusto niyo lagyan. I'm just gonna pour it like that. Actually, I don't need that funnel. Pwede naman siya diretso lang. This makes sense. So there you have it, Momshies. This is how you make your very own water-based humidifier scents for your humidifier at home. So, para hindi ka nabibili, you can do this at home. You can buy all the materials from Shopee, and of course, yung distilled water from your regular distilled water provider or your grocery. And then, you could just make this on your own para makatipid ka sa iyong papabango sa bahay. If mahilig ka sa mga ganito, mga spa vibes and everything like that. And also, pwede din siyang pang negosyo. So, a bottle like this is 100 ml. Yung ginawa ko is from 1,000 ml or 1 liter of distilled water plus my favorite scent na 50 ml. Roughly, around, ang puhunan nito is around siguro mga kasama yung scent na 50 ml plus yung PEG 40 na 50 ml din. For one batch, siguro mamumuhunan ka ng mga 200 pesos. For that, depende sa scent na bibilhin mo. Syempre, kasi mas social ang scent, mas mahal. Pero may mga basic scent naman that you can buy as low as 100 pesos per 100 ml. So, it really depends sa supplier mo. And then, sa isang batch na yon na 200 pesos na puhunan, you could sell this from, yung pinakamura niya sa Shopee na mga ganito is 25 pesos per piece to up to mga 150 per piece. So, it really depends sa marketing mo, sa branding mo. Siyempre, lalagyan mo siya ng sticker, dadagdag mo pa yon sa 200 pesos. So, for example, mabenta mo siya at average at 75 pesos per bottle. So, meron ka ng 750 and namuhunan ka, let's say, from 200 to 250 pesos for this batch. And syempre, pag mas maramihan, mas malaki din ang matitipid mo. So, yun ang negosyo idea na i-impart ko sa inyo today, diba? Bonggang-bonggang, ano na siya, tawag dito, profits. Pwede ka mag-profit from 50 pesos to 500 pesos. If you sell it for 25 pesos per bottle, up to 75 pesos per bottle, depende sa iyo. So, bonggang-bonggang, pabango talaga ang negosyo idea natin for today. I hope you enjoyed this small, short vlog on how I do my humidifier scents. And this one, dalagan ko siya ng sticker, of course. It's gonna be the same Baguio-inspired scent collection. Ang first na lalabas na to. If you want to avail of my humidifier scent na uniquely Baguio-inspired scents, you can avail of it from my website, paglaomstudio.com, and also available din siya sa Shopee and Lazada. But guys, tipid tip lang mas mura if sa website ko kayo bibili, 'di ba? Mas makakamura kayo per price ng aking mga items doon. Nandun din ang aking mga candles, ang aking mga sobrang sold out ngayong Pasko ng mga candles. At iba't iba ang aking mga vessel, and ano pa ba? Meron akong reed diffuser, car diffuser, and mga trinket trays na I'm also gonna make today, as today is my production day. So, if you're interested in any of that, check out my website. I'm gonna put the link below for my website and my Shopee links or Lazada links if you're interested. And for more Rocketera Momshi moves, let me know down the comment below kung anong gusto nyong next na i-feature ko na kung paanong gawin na negosyo idea on this vlog series. Tama ba? Ito na naman ako. Nagsisimula naman ako ng something. Tapos hindi ko naman na matatapos. Kaya comment kayo below kung anong gusto nyo makita, kung paano ko ginagawa, and i-calculate ko na rin sa inyo kung magkano yung capital and magkano yung potential na pwede nyong kitain. So, thank you so much for subscribing to this channel, watching this video. Kung hindi ka pa subscribe, make sure na subscribe ka na para makita mo ang ating mga upcoming negosyo ideas, mga Rocketera mom ideas on this channel. And I will see you on the next video. Bye!